Let's make Indo-Chinese chili vegetables, which is ready in 2 minutes. Let's get started. To make Indo-Chinese chili vegetables, we need chili, oil, black pepper, salt, vinegar is optional, ginger, garlic, green onion, green garlic, broccoli, carrot and mixed peppers. Here I am using chili sauce and soya sauce. And that's the brand I am using. So let's take a Chinese wok, add 1 tablespoon of oil. Make sure to spread the oil everywhere, this way our vegetables don't stick. And let it heat up. And then we'll add our ginger garlic. Ginger garlic is a must. And roast it for a couple of seconds. And then we'll add our corn. Here I'm using fresh corn, but feel free to use frozen corn. And we need to cook corn a little bit, like 30 seconds. And after that we'll add our rest of the vegetables, but we are cooking everything on high flame, okay? Whenever you make any Chinese vegetables, you need to be, flame needs to be very high, and the wok needs to be like this one, this kind of Chinese wok. So add the rest of the vegetables with salt, black pepper, and stir it again and cook it for 30 seconds because we want our vegetables to be crunchy, not soft. And then add our chili sauce and soya sauce. So these are the main ingredients, chili sauce and soya sauce. That's what makes Indo-Chinese stir-fried vegetables. So here I'm just going to eyeball it, like around like half tablespoon. Start with half tablespoon, both of them, and this is chili sauce. And then later on, if you need more, you can add it later on too. So now stir everything. Now to combine our vegetables, we are going to use cornstarch with a little bit of water so that our gravy becomes thick and a little bit, thick consistency gravy. So that's why we are going to add that. Here I'm just going to use some more soya sauce because I don't see a little bit brown color. So now our vegetables looks good. I think everything is good. I just needed to add some water to make it like gravy consistency. So add water and stir it again. Once everything starts boiling, that's when our stir-fried vegetables are ready. Remember, my flame is high, okay? And now we are going to garnish it with green onion and green garlic. If you want to add vinegar, you can add it, but I didn't need to add vinegar because everything was perfect, so I didn't add anything. And these vegetables, you can give it to your kids for your lunch because it doesn't need to be hot for you to eat, so it's okay. And secondly, our vegetables are crunchy and it's going to remain crunchy. We didn't cook them so much, so you can either take it for lunchbox or you can give it to your kids for school lunchbox. So I hope my video was helpful to you. Make sure you adjust the seasoning as much as you want, okay? Chili sauce, soya sauce, these are the main ingredients and you can adjust according to your taste. Thanks for watching. Bye.